Okay, welcome then to this lesson on multiplying and dividing surds. If you haven't watched the previous video on surds, which is called Simplifying Surds, you should do so before you attempt this video. The link will be in the description below, so watch that video first. Okay, here's the starter. So pause the video, have a go, come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. So we should know now, okay, how to simplify surds in the previous video. So I'm going to write root 8 as root 4 times root 2. Remember, root 4 is 2. This would be 2 root 2. 75 has definitely got 25 in it, and 25 is a nice square number. Root 25 is 3, sorry, is 5. Sorry, this is 5. Let me just make that clear, because I fumbled my words. This is 5 here, okay? So this is 5 root 3. And lastly, remember, if a number ends in 2 zeros, that's good news, because this isn't the 100 times table. So 100 times 7. And root 100 is 10. So it's 10 root 7. Okay. So here's the examples for multiplying. We'll do dividing a bit later on. Pause the video, have a go, come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. Now, this first one, what you'll notice is from the start up, see, if you can take a surd here and pull it apart into two other surds, the reverse process is also okay. You can take two surds and make them back into a single surd. 18 times 2 is 36. So this actually is root 36. And luckily for us, 36 is a square number. Root 36 is 6. This one, 3 times 6 is 18. Remember, this time 18, remember, is not a square number, but it is simplifiable because it's 9 times 2. Root 9 is 3. This is 3 root 2. This one, 2 tens are 20. And again, 20 is simplifiable. It's 4 times 5. Root 4 is 2. So this is 2 root 5. And this one, 15 times 10 is 150. And hopefully by now, we see if a number ends in, say, 50 or 25 or even 2 zeros, it's also in the 25 times table. And 25 is square. This is 25 times 6. Root 25 is 5. This is 5 root 6. Okay? Easy again. Sorry about my square root symbols. They're awful. That's 5 root 6. Okay then. So for the first main task, here it is. So pause the video, have a go, come back when you're ready for the answers. Okay, welcome back. Here are the answers. So pause the video and mark what you've done. And then we'll go on to dividing now for the next set of examples. So again, if you want to pause the video here, write these down, have a go, come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. Well, hopefully you can guess how to do these now, because remember, if we're multiplying two surds, we just multiply the numbers as normal and put it as a surd. Same for dividing. So 90 divided by 10 is 9. This is root 9, and root 9 is lovely, is 3. And this one here, 1000 divided by 2 is 500. Remember, if it ends in 2 zeros, you can break it down using 100. This is 100 times 5. Root 100 is 10. So this actually is 10 root 5. Easy. If you can multiply, you can divide. Okay. Second main task then. Here we go. Pause the video, have a go, come back when you're ready for the answers. Okay, welcome back. So here's the answers for this one. I think the hardest one here was number 9. Again, for number 9, I spotted it was in the 25 times table again. Very, very handy. Okay. And here are the checking questions. So pause the video, have a go, come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. Now this first question here, okay, is a classic example of how to tackle maths problems. If you're stuck, then just do the maths you know about. Now, we should know, shouldn't we, that this says root 5 cubed. If you cube a number, you multiply by itself 3 times like this. That's what cube means. All right. And there's 2 ways now to do this. You can either do 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125, and then realize that 125 is again in the 25 times table. So I would get, in the end, 5 root 5. A smarter way to do it is to look for pairs of numbers, pairs of surds. See here, look. Root 5 times root 5, we know is root 25. But root 25 is a square number. It's 5. See, these two root 5s combined to make just 5. Okay? So this here is just 5. And look, if you do 5 times root 5, what do you get? 5 root 5, just quicker. All right? The trick is that if you square a surd, if you times a surd by itself, it will cancel out or kill the surd, whatever you want to call it, okay? And you'll get back to the original number. If you square a surd, you get back to the original number. And that trick is very powerful and works all the time. Okay, this one here then. I'll work at the top first. The top is definitely root 800. The bottom is root 5. 800 divided by 5 is 160. And you probably spot here that this is quite nice because it's in the 16 times table, you can tell. Root 16 is 4. So this is actually 4 root 10. And we are done. Okay, so thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. And I will see you soon.